In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Meet open for an extended period. This little trick can be particularly handy if you're looking to have a continuously available meeting room without the hassle of setting up a new session each time. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to head over to Google Meet. You can do this by simply typing meet.google.com into your browser's address bar or searching for Google Meet on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the site, you're going to notice several options to start or join a meeting. For our purposes, look for the option that says New Meeting. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear giving you a few options. Here, you're going to select Schedule in Google Calendar. This option will direct you to your Google Calendar, where the magic really starts. Now, in your Google Calendar, you might see your meeting already penciled in. By default, Google sets your meeting for a specific time slot. However, we want this meeting to remain open beyond just an hour or so. To achieve this, you're going to adjust the meeting timing. Look for the option that says All Day. Selecting this option lifts the timing constraint off your meeting, making it available throughout the day. But we're aiming for even more extended availability. As you might have guessed, the next step is to make this meeting recur daily. To do this, locate the Does Not Repeat drop-down menu. It's typically next to the date and time settings for your meeting. When you click on it, you will see several options for how often you'd want the meeting to repeat: daily, weekly, monthly, and so on. Choose Daily. This setting ensures that your Google Meet link is active and can be accessed any day, any time, without the need to set up a new one for each meeting. Quite convenient, right? Finally, after setting the meeting to recur daily, there's just one more step: saving your settings. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom right corner of your screen, and click on it. A confirmation window might pop up, prompting you to send invitation emails to participants. At this point, it's up to you whether to send the invites now, or maybe wait until you've shared the meeting link with your intended participants in another way. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Google Meet session that remains open and accessible daily. This setup can be incredibly useful for teams working remotely, study groups, or even families looking to have a standing video call option. No more setting up a new meeting link every day or scrambling to find the right invite in your email. Everything you need is right there in your Google Calendar, simplified and streamlined for ease of use. Remember, the beauty of Google Meet and Google Calendar is their flexibility. Feel free to tweak the settings further to suit your specific needs. Whether adjusting the meeting's recurrence or changing its name for easier identification, Google's suite of productivity tools makes it all straightforward. That wraps up our guide on keeping Google Meet open. With this setup, you're all set for uninterrupted, easy access to your meetings, anytime and any day. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy meeting!